Hi everyone, welcome back. I just want to quickly show you something in this lesson. Yes. So when we published earlier, the tooltips and the drill through is visible. Let's see it here. You can see, you can click on the tooltips. It's just like another page, and the drill through another page. So we can actually make this invisible so that whenever you publish, the people that before they can get to this page, they have to only come through the drill through option available here. This tooltip, so the viewers won't be able to go to this tooltip itself. They'll have to view this tooltip through this visual, right? So let me show you how to do that. So on the Power BI desktop report, all you just need to do is to come to tooltip here, you hide, drill through, you hide. So when you come to your home page, again, so you can even decide to hide the loans and the transactions so that anybody that just viewing the report will just see the home page, which is the landing page. So let's even label this. Let's call this. Let's label this properly. We'll call this sales and transactions report or analysis. So analysis, Control A. Let's make this not 20, it's too small. Let's make this 32. Just put this by the side. So what we are going to do here is off the background, then Control A, then make the text white. So transaction analysis. So we'll just make this a landing page that anyone that opens this report can just go to. So what we'll do now is to hide also the loans, hide this, and also hide this. So hide this. So this, what will be visible to everyone is just a landing page. So to go to the next page, you have to click on report. So let's publish this. Save. So if you have this report already existing there, it will tell you to. So I'm going to publish to my workspace. So what I was saying is that if you have this report already existing, it will tell you to replace, right? So this is republishing. So you replace, and it show you the impact, so you can view everything that it will impact. So if you have created like a dashboard or an app associated with this report, this impact, let's click on it for instance, it will show you everything that report that it will impact on your dashboard. So that is what that impact is. So it's also good that you view what this impact is before you publish your report. So this is the impact analysis. It's just showing me everything that by republishing it, this is everything it will impact. So Power BI just does that analysis for me. It will impact one workspace. It will impact any data set. It will impact one report. Yeah. So if I have created several reports, it will show me every report that it will impact. So no dashboard, no scorecards, so nothing else. So that is it. So it's better you see what your report will impact before you republish. So let's go ahead. Since we've seen what it will impact, we'll just go to replace. So this will publish and just replace what is there, existing there before. So I really like this particular dashboard. Let me just zoom this in a bit so that we'll really see. Okay, yeah. Let me take it to 75. So it shows you everything. So every data that is connected, just the model. So this, like, is showing you that this is a data set of visualization, and this data set of visualization is connected to all these data sets. And because you're seeing a gateway here, because this is not a cloud data set, is an on-premise data set. This data set is residing inside my system, inside my computer. So I'll have to create a data gateway to actually connect this to the web. That we are going to look at in subsequent lesson. So this is showing you everything it is connected to. It's connected to all this data before the data set, before our visual. So really nice. If we have things like dashboards, it will also show that this visual is connected to these dashboards. So in subsequent, we'll come back to look at this again. So we will get to see how we see more features. If the visual is connected to dashboard, we get to see the dashboard here. If the dashboard, if it's connected to any app, we'll get to see the app that is connected to here, just to see the impacts before you will publish. Let's see if that has published successfully. Okay, this is still publishing. So whenever this publishes, so what it will show us is just this landing page. We won't see all these loans tab. You have to click on home to actually get there. So this, okay, it has finished publishing, great. Okay, so let's go back to the service. So let's take this down, or let's just go here. So this is it. You can see what we're viewing before. We can see the tooltip, drill through, homepage, transactions, and everything. But upon refreshing this report, this should change. So to the new way, which we have configured it. We've hidden all those other layers. So all you are going to see now is that homepage, the landing page alone, right? So let's go back to workspace. My workspace, right? Let's open this report. Let's open it back. That is, okay, let's refresh. So it's not showing here anymore. Let's refresh that. It should show now. Yeah, so it's here now. So let's click on this visualization. So what we should see is the landing page, which is the home page. Yeah, this is it. All those other things that we saw around here, all those paints are no more here because we've hidden them. So to get to that, you have to click on reports. So it will get you to the same place. This is the loan analytics report. You can click on this page, you go to transactions. So really nice. I think I prefer publishing my report this way. It gives some kind of more sophistication to what you produce. So we can go back here to the first page, which is home loans. The same experience, you're going to get the same experience. So once I want to see that tooltip, I just need to come here. I see my tooltip. So no one can see another navigation pane around here for tooltip. No. So you can see it here. This is the purpose why it was created. You can see your tooltip here. So once you want to see your drill through, you just need to click on one of these. It shows you drill through by this supervisor. Then you get to see everything, every customer acquired by every staff, every salesperson under the supervisor. Really nice. So you can go back once more. Go back. You go back to that page. You can come here. Your slicer panel is still visible. You can open it and select what you want to select. Same experience, nothing different. You can also click on your home page. Okay, I think I configured that here. Your home page. This is go to home page. Click that, and it will bring you back to your landing page. So really nice. Power BI, very great, good visual. You can also go to your view and make it full screen, so just for a better experience. Right, really nice. So for now, we are going to just pause here and continue in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.